Wow, just look at this. Take a good look at this jelly object videos niche. It's so satisfying to watch that you simply can't look away. And the final result, it's absolutely incredible. Every single time you watch one, you're wondering what's going to come out of the tube next. What's the surprise going to be? And that's exactly why this niche performs so well. It keeps people curious from the very beginning until the very end, and that's what makes viewers stay and watch. Now, take a look. At this creator on Instagram, they already have over 75,000 followers, and their videos are getting massive views. The crazy part is that after watching just one video, you instantly want to watch another and then another. That's the power of this type of content. If you're interested in this niche, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create these kinds of videos. The best part, it's incredibly simple, completely beginner-friendly, and totally free. In fact, take a look at what I created in just a few seconds. Pretty amazing, right? First of all, just like always, I've prepared a super detailed prompt for you, and you'll find it in the description below. Simply copy the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. Once you've done that, click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 jelly object ideas to choose from. You'll get all kinds of ideas: animals, food, fruits, flowers, characters, and much more. And if you want even more options, you can simply ask Chachi to generate additional ideas. Once you've found your favorite one, all you have to do is select it. For this example, I'm going to choose number 4. And just a few seconds later, ChatGPT automatically creates a complete, highly detailed video prompt that's ready to use. Now, let's move on to creating the animation. Open Google Flow, then immediately switch the settings to video mode. Configure everything exactly like I do. Set the aspect ratio to 9:6. Perfect. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Personally, I'm going to generate 2 videos, each with a duration of 10 seconds. Once everything is set up, simply paste your prompt into Google Flow and hit Generate. After just a few moments, your video will be ready to watch. Let's watch the result together. Pretty incredible, isn't it? The animation looks incredibly realistic, super satisfying, and it's the kind of content that makes people want to keep watching until the very end. That's exactly why this format is performing so well across social media right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you start creating your own jelly object videos. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, AI content ideas, and viral niches just like this. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your creations.